Everything is handled through the signal processor, but it does activate that when you do your power on and off functions. Storage drawer. You also have a remote control that plugs in, and I believe it's in a floor receptacle.
I think it's in the bleachers, actually.
Actually, you're right. Yes, it is in the bleachers. So this replicates what that does. So for a game, you can have this set up on a scorer's table. You'll be able to operate the sound system. This is the processor for the system, no user controls, and then the two power amplifiers. So walking up to this, if I wanted to turn off the sound system rack, I turn this knob until the light flashes for the function that I want, and then I press it, and it will turn off the components within the sound system rack in the proper order, so you don't get pops, damaging pops in the speakers. The reverse of that is to turn it on. Turn the knob until the light flashes, press the button, and everything comes on in the proper order and without any pops. All speakers, if I wanted them all on, I would press that. If I wanted just the home side, I would turn it to home only and turn that on. Actually, it turns off the visitor side and the cord. And if I want all of the speakers on but the cord off, then I choose cord off. And probably most of your stuff would be with all of the speakers, I would guess. Which input that you want to adjust, you press the knob. And that procedure is in fine print under each of those knobs as to what to do. So if I want to adjust wired microphone 1, I would choose it and I would turn the control. The fewer lights that are lit, the lower the volume. The more lights that are lit, the higher the volume. So mic 2, mic 3, I want to turn that up. Wireless mic 1 is turned down quite a bit. Wireless mic 2 is turned up like it's been used. The auxiliary inputs, that would be for, I believe they are a dual RCA. For the auxiliary inputs, they're on the same plate as the microphone inputs. And so if you had an iPad, a laptop, iPhone, or you go from the 8-inch MIDI jack or the headphone to the dual RCA that's on the plate, then you can play music in here, like PE teacher could do that. So.
Oh, just from the wall.
Mm-hmm. And there's an on-off volume control. Okay. This has numbers on it. It says 2G. That's the channel or the frequency that it's on, and it matches the 2G there. It is possible to change this to another frequency. So if it's not working, make sure that those match.
All right.
You can also change it here, which if somebody's going to play with it, that's probably where they will. So 2G, G meaning Jim. So